Alright, we're back in the studio and I got a new friend. It's a new blow dryer because so many people are asking me about this one, but it's so old. It's like, I think when I went to college I bought this one. It has a different nozzle and different settings as well. Only 2 settings for speed and cool and warm, not hot. This one has 3 settings of speed and also hot and cold. So we're gonna try this one. The nozzle is much wider than this one. We're gonna see if it makes a difference or the composition will turn out other than using with this. Okay guys, I'm very excited to try this. Alright guys, I decided to paint over a painting from today that was a fail, or at least it was an experiment. And it did go not as I wanted, so we're gonna use the canvas again. Okay, now this is the first time we're gonna use this blow dryer to spread out the white paint. Some yellow, turquoise, some Van Dyke brown. And what I would like is to have them a bit separated. This is very cool. I really like this part, but I would like to see the turquoise come a bit more here and then here some more negative space. But first we're gonna torch this because I think there's copper under here. Yeah, there is. So many cells. Alright, so we made a painting with this blow dryer. It turned out different, I must say, and also you need to use it different. But it is gorgeous. It needed more work because I really like that turquoise and yellow be a bit separated. But the cells in the yellow are very pretty, and I think that's because this one is really hot and it pops right away. I don't know, I'm gonna use this maybe some more, but I think I'm gonna stick with my old one because that's my baby. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time.